This demonstration shows the Polygon Solutions holder making a T20 6-lobe shape in a HAAS SL10 lathe. First, the part is turned to size. Next, the part is chamfered and pre-drilled to the smallest inside diameter. Are you considering making internal hex, square, or 6-lobe shapes on your CNC machine? Polygon Solutions compact broach holder holds a rotary broach at a 1-degree angle. As the broach holder makes contact, the broach rotates with the material and cuts the form while feeding through the hole. The rotary broach holder by Polygon Solutions is your answer for smaller, precision-formed holes. In a soft material like brass, our premium bearings and pressure relief holes allow this form to be cut up to 2 times the dimension of diameter. After cleaning out the hole, the part is completely finished on one machine. If you'd like to learn more about rotary broaching, look us up at polygonsolutions.com.